Will AI replace your manager? It is the question everyone is asking. What if the real question is, how does the adoption of AI change what is required from you as a future manager? In this video, we explore that question, and I encourage you to be the strategic rebel, the hero who becomes the master of the system to change it from the inside out. The future needs people who have mastered the use of AI while being good human leaders. It is not about AI replacing your manager, it is about you becoming the manager of AI itself. My name is Marcio. Before CareeradviceCast, I was a senior leader at Google, leading a team of hundreds and managing the experience of billions of users. I invite you to explore this topic with me. Welcome to CareeradviceCast. Programmable robotics have eliminated a large portion of manufacturing jobs in the 1990s. People affected were mostly doing work in the physical world. The increasing adoption of artificial intelligence by corporations over the next decade will eventually automate processes horizontally across all functions and industries, so knowledge workers are now feeling the burn. It is interesting that everyone is paying attention to the fact that self-driving cars might eventually eliminate the need for human drivers. What people don't realize is that ride-sharing apps have already eliminated all the corporate staff that used to run taxi cab companies 20 years ago. Humans in their cars are actually the last survivors. So the idea that technology can affect management before it hits the ground floor isn't new at all. What's the next job on the chopping block? Yes, management jobs, and here is why. Management versus leadership. Management and leadership are separate concepts, but in traditional corporate hierarchies, where managers are also supposed to lead, they are the two sides of the same coin. Management is about processes. It's breaking projects into tasks, assigning work to people, coordinating and monitoring execution, evaluating performance, etc. These tasks can now be easily automated by AI, and the problem is that most corporate managers are very focused on those tasks and they neglect developing their leadership skills. So, it is not that managers will disappear, but numbers are going to shrink and the remaining managers will have to master AI while being good human leaders. Leadership, on the other hand, is about people and will always be a human's domain. It is about how you connect, inspire, and influence others to be the best they can be pursuing common goals. So as you continue learning and developing, you need to understand management skills so you can manage the technology to automate them. But your focus should be on learning leadership skills. Actionable advice. I assume you watching this video are either an individual contributor or a new manager in a corporate environment. I imagine you might be asking yourself, wasn't management the path to career progression? How do I prepare for growth beyond being an individual contributor? My view is that leadership is going to continue being the path for more impact and more financial rewards, and here are my 3 pieces of actionable advice for you today. Number 1, master the AI tools and technology. While existing managers run projects the old way, you need to become an expert doing the same and running projects using AI tools. Become the leader of the change. Number 2, unlock your human powers. Focus your learning and development on leadership skills, communication, collaboration, influence, strategic thinking. Get out of your comfort zone and expose yourself to opportunities to exercise those skills. Number 3, embrace your inner rebel. In parallel with the technology disruption we have been talking about, there are generational and cultural disruptions also affecting the workplace. We are adopting technology, debating remote work, and changing the rules of the office. As a Gen Z, you are a digital native and a searcher of authenticity. Engage with the system and use those attributes to be an effective contributor and change agent. And to wrap everything up, the future is not about climbing a preset ladder. It is about building your own legacy. Being a manager of process is out. Developing human leadership is in. You have the skills. You have the mindset. Now go be the strategic rebel, the hero who becomes the master of the system to change it from the inside out. See the next suggested video in the channel, and I see you in the next episode of Careerscast.